Hi everyone, good morning or good afternoon or whatever for you, but it is early morning here at 5:36 a.m. on this fine Wednesday morning. Happy hump day. Um I had ordered this at the same time I ordered the other peacock stamp off Amazon. It is from a store called YIXUAN Yeexwan? I don't know. Um, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Anyway, it did come in yesterday, Tuesday, and the price on it on Amazon was $6.99 with tax of 42 cents for me because I have 6% sales tax. However, I had rewards points, so I got this for free because I used rewards and like I said, I ordered that other peacock and something else off the job ticket orders at the same time. So this ended up being free, and I actually got a little bit more discount on the other items too. So these are 4 peacocks, and we're going to stamp one of them and one of the sentiments. This is what they look like. They're called Spring Beautiful Peacock and Flowers Clear Stamp for Card Making, DIY Scrapbooking Supplies, Silicone Stamp with Plastic Envelope Bag for Albums, Crafts, Decor. Yeah, long names. So the sentiments are shake your tail feathers, wishing you all things beautiful, proud as a peacock, you color my world, and you were born to stand out. And I just thought they were really pretty. They're pretty detailed. Um, but I like how they have the flowers around them too. So let's try which one? I think this one. And I'm going to do wishing you all things beautiful. And they are clear. You know, they're the clear stamps you get that are made in the USA are very thick, the ones I've seen. Um, and these are not, but as long as they stamp okay, that's okay by me. We're just going to go ahead and use this. I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black because that's what I usually do, although these are so detailed I might be inclined to, I think I need to re-ink this pad. Yeah, let me get a different pad. I think I have another one of those here somewhere. Yeah, and it actually says on it, newest. Let's close this back up. That one needs to be re-inked. Hopefully this one's juicier. Oh yeah, definitely. Although probably they both can use a re-inking. It doesn't look like it's getting even stamping. Let me take it to the pad and try it that way, because I can press in more maybe. Alright, let's just try it. I didn't put it all the way to the bottom in case I want to cut it out. I probably should have put it in the middle, but oh, it's stamped beautifully. It's very detailed. As far as coloring, uh, yeah, I don't know. It'll definitely have to be like a colored pencil thing or a background and leave it black. You know, do the background. I'm going to put this up here so that now this, I don't think I'm happy with. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks sort of fuzzy. Let's try it. Let's move over a little bit. Okay, well maybe it's okay when you push it down. Yeah, no. Do you see how warbly the things is? Let's try it again. That was the first time ever stamping and I didn't condition it. I'm going to turn it this way. So let's try it again. Still looks a little warbly to me. I didn't get as good a coverage, but it's less warbly. One more time, shall we? I can already tell it's going to be a little bit warbly. I hope you know what I mean by that. That's probably not a correct word. But can you see it's kind of, you see that on the all things? Well, all of it. And that is a problem I have with some of the overseas ones is the words are very, they're not right. I had that issue with a couple other ones I bought that were knockoffs that I knew were knockoffs. Anyway, the peacock came out lovely, as you can see. And that's the most important thing. It's just very detailed, and all of these are going to be very detailed. So I will clean those after we're done here because I have something else to show you. That's all I got from Amazon. I've been waiting for it to come in. And this is Peachy Cheap. So if you're not familiar with Peachy Cheap, you can get on their daily, Monday through Saturday email list, and they have good deals, like whole collections for, 25% of the normal price or 30 some percent of the normal price. It's a good deal. Um, so I got this Paige Evans. I have to remember what it's called. Shop. Garden shop. And I've already cut this open, so we will, and they gave it to me in a paper bubble mailer, so I will reuse that for a journal cover or something. But I just like the colors in this, the vibrant spring-like colors. This has foil. It's like a rose gold or copper, I think rose gold foil. And it has 36 sheets, but it's 18 designs times 3, and it is single-sided paper. Excuse me. All right, well, the first sheet is this. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. Friends forever, you are doing great. Thanks a bunch. Enjoy the ride and warm and cozy. So that's more fall, which I thought was odd to have in a spring garden shop kind of thing. Anyway, beautiful flowers. And this could be an accent actually, And there it is. And one of the pages, which you'll see in a minute, has words across it, cut out words. This is little daisies up here, but beautiful foiling, right? You could actually color those in if you wanted to. I would probably do like a light watercolor, not a whole lot of water, or pencil, colored pencil maybe. Maybe alcohol marker. It'll go through the back, but yeah. Here's the sheet of words. Let me see. Won't read them all, but radiate positivity, happy, never stop trying, a full heart, gratitude, chill and relax, blooming beautiful. Let's stay home. This is our happy place, although it's partway cut off. Always smiling, kindness matters, refreshed. Thanks a bunch, grateful, make today beautiful, bloom and grow. I'm not big on that one. Make today amazing. Some of these would be good in my planner, actually. The best is yet to come. Better together, be brave, be free, collect moments, not things. Yeah, I need to do that. Here's just some green, which will make a nice background, and it does look very good with these flowers. And these are birds with foiled leaves. They're sort of, they're like orangey birds, sort of like, well, there's some hummingbirds and what I'll call sparrows or something in here. I'm not exactly sure. They're colorful, but they're more like fall colors to me, except for the hummingbird. And then we have I'll call them daisies, but they have a lot more petals than what I'm used to seeing on daisies. And then this is like arches all over. And this is another cut apart with some tags. You are my happy thought. Flowers, flowers, and thank you. Thank you, made with love, thank you. Always smiling, blooming beautiful. Some blank labels with a bicycle and a basket of fruit. Together is the very best. Happy, this looks more like autumn leaves, and today. So that'd be good for a planner. And we have lots of hearts across the top. Some more cut aparts. It's kind of a shame, and maybe this is why it's on Peachy Cheap, because if they had centered this better, we might have gotten 4 across, but really you only got 3, and then these are on the side cut off, so that is kind of a shame. But there's 12 of these images, so yeah. And I'm trying to see if these are the same as anything else on here. I don't think so, which that really is a shame then, because this had a nice little bucket with some flowers. Yeah, that really is a shame. I love this blue sort of cross hatch check. There we go. And then the hearts. Now this one is centered better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 times 5. Yeah, however many that is. My brain, it's 5:36 in the morning, guys. My brain is not functioning. That should be an easy one, right? Yeah, it should be. Anyway, beautiful floral. All green. Sort of look like worm, but it's leaves. Ferns, I think. Yeah. Little foiled and different color hearts. That's cute. And you don't have to use hearts just for Valentine's, right? And then another beautiful floral and a stripe. And then it begins again. In fact, did I? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Yeah. So I wrote this wrong because 18 times 2 is 36. So it's 2 sheets of each 18 patterns. Okay, sorry about that. All right, then I'm not going to open all these. Well, we got a sticker book, and here are the 8 sheets. I'll leaf through it because you can't really see that good. Always make room for pretty things. Keep going, keep growing. Basically everything that goes with the paper. Then we have some, these are matte and these are thicker. These are almost like a thin chipboard kind of thing. Yeah, they're thicker. These are thinner, like regular sticker sheets, but I don't think let me check. I want to see if they're clear or if they're paper, if I can get them off. That is the question. So they're semi-transparent. They're not all the way clear, but they are a bit clear. Okay, these are not clear, and they have tabs, a few sentiments here and here. These are more labels, a few, I don't know what those are for, and some little sentiment places, things. More stickers with wreaths. Pretty colors. I just love the colors. And there are fall leaves on here. Some borders, which are thick also. And then flowers on my happy place. I would rather be reading. A bicycle, a red truck, another bicycle, blue and pink. And some books and a birdhouse and some hot apple cider, I guess. And then we have foiled rose gold foiled sentiments. That's nice. Those are nice. I like that. And then these are more labels, like for journaling, and some sentiments in here. And alphas, which is, I kind of wish they wouldn't do this, but I understand it for people that scrapbook and stuff. And there are several A's. There's like a lot of them. and see. There's several of each, but there's more of the main vowels: A's, E's, I's, O's, and U's. And then the other ones look like they have, well, some of the main letters like S's and T's and R's have quite a few. It looks like about 4 or 5 of most letters. Plus there's like a question mark, exclamation mark, only one of those, a dot and an apostrophe, and some commas and dots here too. So yeah, that's that one. That's the sticker book that came with it. And I will tell you, oh, I forgot to tell you that. This was $16.99 plus I paid $4.99 flat rate shipping. So $21.98 for all of this. And, you know, normally these are like $7 now or more. These embellishments, I don't know what the paper pad is, probably like $7 or something. So I figure it's a good deal. They probably showed it as some, you know, market price of 36 or something dollars. I don't know. Anyway, these are 40 embellishments. I'm not going to open these. This one is more labels and things, plus some a little bit larger embellishments, I guess. They don't, do they have the size? It's Page Taylor Evans. I'm gonna just try and measure the, you know, how big they are. They are like the biggest one, about say 3 inches by 2.5, 2.5. Yeah, about 3 by 2.5. Looks like to be about the biggest one there. Excuse me. And this one, mm, yeah, about 3.25, but then 2 3/4. So yeah, that's about the biggest ones in there. And then this one is 50 embellishments, and it's all flowers. One sec. So those are what were in it. And sometimes they bring these around again. When you get the email, there's usually 3 things in it. There's Peachy Cheap, these there's Peachy Planner, Peachy Planner Cheap or Peachy Planner, I don't know, I forget. And then there's Cocoa and Reno, which is cutting dies. And sometimes the planner one has something that was previously on the Peachy Cheap and vice versa. So if you miss things, you can always check the email down below and see. But I like it for they have when they have collections, because you can get, and sometimes you can get different more than this. Um, but I liked the colors in this one, so I went ahead and got it. And these 2 purchases conclude my purchases. I have one other thing, which is the Stampin' Up! Free Shipping Day stuff, but I already told you that's mostly cardstock and a few embellishments, and so I'm probably not going to do a haul video for that one. And I did my budgeting yesterday. Yeah, I have to stop buying. So June is a no spend month for me. We're having to buy some 2 storm doors outside, and they're custom sized. Of course, this house was built by the previous owner, and nothing is standard size in this house. It seems like everything I have to get has to be made special because the sizes are odd. I don't know whether he got builder leftovers or what he did to make this house, but the owner built the house back in 1949 and an addition in 1955, and nothing is plum and nothing is standard size. Which I didn't know when I bought it, but anyway, I do now. All right, so we're having to do that and pay for some other things, so I really have to curb the crafty spending. So I'll be crafting from my stash quite a lot in June and possibly July and August, because, you know, tax time rolls around to come August. So Anyway, I digress. Thanks for listening to me whine. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.